Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use polls on Instagram stories. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's begin. First, we will be needing to head to our Instagram app. After that, we will be needing to start a story. And to start a story, you will be needing to click on this plus button that would allow us to create some content on our account. And by clicking on it, we will find these four options, which are posts, story, reel, and live. And of course, we are interested by story. We click on story, and from here, you will be able to start selecting or recording a story. And here you will have also some other types of stories. Now, let's just create something. So I'm just going with types. And I'm going to type anything so you can add any text. And after that, we will be needing to start adding our polls. So here we will have the sticker option, and basically the stickers are where the magic resides. So here we will be needing to search for polls. So here you have location, mention, music, and those are just features and not just regular stickers. So here we will find polls. We will need just to click on poll. Here you will add your question, my question, and you can also change the color of your poll however you'd like. And here you will add your options, uh, option 1, option 2, and you can also have additional option if you would like. And here I'm going to add option 3. Now I'm just going to click on done, and then you can post your story. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.